We'll guide you through how to make a folder in Outlook for certain subjects. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To begin this tutorial, open Microsoft Outlook on your computer. Once Outlook is open, go to the Mail section to access your inbox and folders. In the left sidebar, locate your email account name. Right-click on your email account name to open the available options menu. From the menu that appears, select Create New Folder to begin organizing your emails. A text field will appear where you can name the new folder. Type a name for the folder based on the subject you want to organize, for example, GuideHub Team. After typing the folder name, click the checkmark icon to save the folder and confirm its creation. Next, click the Settings icon located in the top right corner of the Outlook window to open the Settings panel. From the Settings options, select Mail to access the Mail configuration settings. Within the Mail settings, click Rules to manage automatic email sorting. In the Rules section, select Add New Rule to create a new rule for organizing incoming emails. A new rule configuration window will appear. Enter a name for the rule, for example, Move GuideHub Emails, so you can easily recognize its purpose later. In the Add a Condition section, choose Subject includes to filter emails based on specific words in the subject line. After selecting this condition, type the specific subject keyword you want to filter, for example, GuideHub. This ensures that any email containing that keyword in the subject line will trigger the rule. Next, move to the Add an Action section and choose Move To as the action to be performed. After selecting Move To, choose the folder you created earlier, such as GuideHub Team, as the destination folder. Once all the rule settings are properly configured, click Save to activate the rule. Outlook will now automatically apply this rule to incoming emails that match the specified subject keyword. Return to your inbox and monitor new incoming messages. Check that emails with the selected subject are automatically moved to the new folder to confirm that the rule is working correctly.